Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my August Witches Roots box. I'm really excited because August is my birth month, and it's just, a couple days after my birthday, and I did get this a little bit ago, but I haven't felt well enough to do it, but I am feeling good and, better, and I'm excited to see what's inside. Ooh, I got a little wet spot. Hopefully everything's okay. The Realm of Fire, that's what it says. So we look at that last. We've got the Seal of Solomon, 7 Pentacle of the Sun. Okay. Ooh, the Fire Dragon. Pretty, pretty. Dragon's Blood. Oh, wow. Nice. So nice. Love it. I'm so excited. Dragon's Blood is one of my favorite. Ooh. Looks like a smoke bundle with dragon's blood on it. It smells so good and so earthy and so yum. I love dragon's blood. Alright. We got a beautiful red, cherry red I would say, candle. So nice. We've got a spritzer, so there's probably a spray in here. What spray is it? It did leak a little. Smells good though. Oh no. Ah! Oh my goodness. I've never had this happen. It's a little bit leaky, but nothing is ruined. It's just a little wet in this corner. But that's kind of my fault. It took me so long to open the box. So basically it's Amplify Aura Spray. It's a little bit wet. It smells great. Doesn't have anything in it, so I'm just gonna put that down. It has got dragon's blood in it. I can tell because my fingers are turning pink. Grab a towel. It smells great, but it's just soaking wet. Okay. I'm gonna turn this, I'll do something with this. Let's just go back to what we were doing. Sorry. Okay, so we've got some beautiful incense sticks. It smells yum, 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 yum. And we got some little bags of magical goodness. Ooh. It's a fire dragon. Oh, it's so pretty. Live with passion and intention. Will do. Will do. And then this one. Ooh. It looks like a muko eye or a red jasper. I'm not sure. I'm not good at identifying. I'm going to stick with red jasper. Let's see if I'm correct. Oh, we got a chain. Oh. This is super beautiful and appropriate because, like I told you, I'm working through Danielle Dusky's Holy Wild. It's amazing, and right now I'm on the fire chapter, the fire verses, and this just makes me think of, at first I thought it was flames, but it's dragons, but it really goes well. So let's read the insert. During uncertain times, we can easily be caught in the trap of anxiety, worry, and frustration. As practitioners, we rely on an arsenal of magical resources to push us through and lift us up. In addition to protection work, it is important to work towards keeping ourselves composed and in control. As we work with the energies of fire, we allow transformation, passion, and conviction to take over. In this very special collection, we work with fire energies to bring a true sense of confidence into our practice and daily work. The magical items in this box are as follows. Dragon's Blood Sage Stick. This dragon blood has been added to blue sage to emphasize its natural energetic powers. Blue sage is naturally imbued with robust, purifying, healing, and protective energies of earth and air. So then we have the Dragon's Blood Herbal Grimoire artwork. We have the Dragon Goddess Pendant and Chain, which is beautiful. This beautiful nickel-free pewter pendant provides the energetic representation of our connection with the fire energies. On the front of the pendant, you will find the goddess, as well as the triple moon representing the divine and feminine aspects of ourselves. On either side of the goddess stands the dragons, representing protection, security, and the overwhelming ability to transform any situation that may arise. Written on the back, may you touch dragons, dance with fairies, and talk to the moon. I didn't even notice that the first time, which is great. That's really cool. The dragon intention coin. We've included a small dragon coin for you to carry with you during times of unrest or uncertainty. Use this coin as a reminder to yourself that you hold power within your ability to handle any situation that may arise. Written on the back of this coin states, live with passion and intention. Amplify Ritual Aura Spray. We've created this Amplify Ritual Aura Spray with the intention of enhancing the magical potency that surrounds you. We recommend using this aura spray during preparation for ritual working or when you need a creative boost. We have enchanted this Ritual Aura Spray with the oils of cedar, anise, and cinnamon. We've also included a special mixture of our Dragon's Breathe magical anointing oil from our Personate cabinet. Reclamation mini spell candle. We have hand rolled this mini spell candle with the intention of allowing you to reclaim energy that may have been lost throughout your day. As you sit before the dancing flame, take the time to collect yourself through breathing exercises and meditation. Red jasper stone with pouch. Okay, second guess was best. We have included this beautiful red jasper stone for you to carry with you throughout your day or to place upon your altar. Red jasper has a wonderful fire energy stone and can stimulate the circulation of energy throughout your aura. Dragon's Blood Ritual Incense Sticks. This very powerful Dragon's Blood incense have been included within the collection to accompany you during rituals or workings that demand intense focus. As you allow the smoke from this incense to waft through your space, visualize the colors around you becoming more vibrant and your focus becoming sharper. The Fire Dragon Book of Shadows artwork. And the Seal of Solomon, 7 Pentacle of the Sun. So very cool. Very, very cool box. I absolutely love it. I've always loved these boxes. These are one of my favorites, and I've gotten every single one they've made. So I highly recommend it to you. It's super reasonably priced, like unbelievably reasonable. This is only $29, and you get like a ton of really, really just great potent items for, you know, your ritual workings, and it's just amazing. So I definitely, I'm trying to get everything in the little frame all pretty. I'm kind of terrible at that, so just let's see how I can do this. I don't want to tilt that too much because I don't want it to spill some more, but hey, I think I did it. I think I got everything in the frame. So as always, I'll leave the description and the link below. Please, as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I've missed you guys. So happy to be back, and I hope you guys will join me here soon. Bye.